All right, well, we're down here in the basement on a Saturday. We're going to be working on the bathroom today. Getting all the pipes hooked up, and so I got to get all this stuff out of here. And I'll bring you along. Alright, so we're to the point where we cleared all this out. I've got to remove the tub from where it is. You see I removed some of the drywall. I've got to put a support ledge underneath the bathtub, all the way here, all the way in the back, and then on the side. And when we place the tub in, it'll have a nice support all the way around. The front already has a support. It has a stance, and then in the tub part there's a tray underneath that's already adhered to the concrete. So it's just best to pull this out, get that shelf put in, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we got Jay here hooking the shower up finally.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this pipe sticking out there.
Yeah, nice. We can swivel it so.
Oh, good. Yeah, I like the swivel so it sprays in the back for your.
Yeah, so it's a leaky like this, you don't see it.
Oh, yeah. So what are you doing, Jay?
Well, I thought after 3 years, I thought it might was coming.
Just show back up.
Help him finish, you know.
This thing's been sitting down here for a while.
Yeah.
That's
pretty
a work
built
of
and
art,
everything.
man. Look at that.
Yeah.
And then this is the
the spigot for the tub. It's gonna be about 10 inches above. So you have your tub right here. You'll have that come out.
Oh yeah. And then you got your shower head.
Shower head. I'll grab that and we'll.
All right.
Connected. I'm gonna connect these bad boys.
Well, we're definitely gonna have trademark infringement going on, but hey, me and Jay will be doing the same today. We've got Jay over here dressing the bathtub. Look at this guy. Oh. Look at that.
Coming together.
Putting it together. And yes, Jay doesn't mind being on video. We have to edit most of his stuff anyway. But look at this. Won't even let me help him. Look at that. Got the drain all together. What do you have to say about that drain there, sir?
I think it's gonna work mighty fine. It's gonna work good.
All right, and then I'll show you, I got the frame in. At least I'm somewhat useful down here in the plumbing field. We've got the frame put up here. So this is the frame around the bathtub. And then we've got, you know, the waterworks going on. And yeah, so we're about to get this thing in a hyper mode. We went to Ace Hardware, spent a couple $100 there. Got some shut-off valves, drain stuff, plumbing stuff. So thanks for watching and hang in there. Alright, so we pulled the tub back out and we're just engineering, well I'm not, but Jay's over here engineering the drain. So we're gonna make a quick stop to Home Depot. And there we go. Alright. See if we can see what he's doing. Looks like he's digging the dirt out. Oh yeah. Making a P-trap. Is that correct?
Yeah. Gotta get an idea. Kind of center the can, but with that flexing, we're gonna be. Oh yeah, that'll work beautifully.
Yeah. We have a back-to-back tub, so it's kind of hard to work around in there. A little tricky, so he's reinventing the wheel. But we'll show you guys when he's done. We're cutting the water. Woo! Oh yeah. Into the new tub. Draining. Oh, look at that. It's going down the drainer.
swirling. Got the swirl going.
Oh goodness. It's got the pitch. Wow, there's a lot in that one.
There is.
That's probably the, I don't know, line. Do we know which one's hot and cold?
Whoa.
Okay.
If we did it right. If I did it right.
Yeah, Jay did these a couple years ago.
All right.
And they just been waiting to be tapped. What? All right, now we're gonna be hooking them up. We've got the shut-off valves, the regulator for the shower, and let's do this. That's recording.
Okay, so that's.
What do we got?
So right now we're gonna.
All right, we turned the water on. No leaks, right?
No leaks as of yet. So.
No leaks on the
I
joints.
don't like the way.
Oh. We got water. We got water out of the meter. Oh, geez.
Yeah, and get all the air out.
We're gonna blow all that insulation down into the what's-em-habits.
Oh shoot! Out again. Maybe.
What kind of plumber are you?
Mediocre plumber.
Looking good. How do you turn? How do you turn the shower off?
Oh, let's see.
Oh, no way. Oh, okay. That sounds good to me. Oh, and so that's on the head, right? You just pull up on it?
You pull up and it blocks that off and it shoots it on up there.
All right.
Hey, sweetheart, how you doing? Sorry for any cuss words that might have made it through the door.
Hi. The boss has showed up to the project here.
How you doing?
You're the boss.
See the water? Look at it. It's going everywhere.
It's the water. We got a new bathtub.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. New bathtub. We're hoping it's not leaking everywhere. How are you? Say hi to everybody. Say hi to
The water back
everybody.
there is from that's from getting blasted. That's not from his leaking. I turned on it.
Yeah, because you've been a
Shotgun it.
That's a payroll issue right there.
Hands are dirty.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump. Bam! Heck yeah. I think, do you need the water off again, Jake?
No, we're good for this day.
All right, well, we've been here all day.
I blame the tub.
We got plumber Jay here, and we got the new tub installed. We got the shower regulator installed, and then we got the shut-off valves here installed. We got the toilet and the sink, hot and cold, and so now we can move on to drywall and mud in this place.
And floor.
What do you think? Floor and everything. So
We're good to go.
thank you, Jay.
No problem, buddy.
You're the man. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I know you guys probably got some special treats in the video. But just let us know what you think about it.
No.
And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.